Hey guys, welcome back to Just4fun290. Today we're going to be opening up this Yo-Ho, Let's Glow, Secret Lost City, and Hook's Battle Boat. First let's check out Hook's Battle Boat. Alright, here's all the stuff that comes in this set. It comes with Captain Hook. I'm Captain Hook, and I have a hook right here. See? It also comes with this cannon. Looks like it's rocking with the waves. How cool is that? Haha! Gotcha! Now let's open up Yo-Ho, Let's Glow, Secret Lost City. Comes with Jake and a cool glow-in-the-dark rock. Alright, let's check out this Secret Lost City. Comes with this cool Jake. Looks like he's got a climbing rope on. And a helmet. And it also comes with this glow-in-the-dark boulder. Now I'm going to show you guys how it glows in the dark. I know the secret treasures are around here somewhere. Can you guys help me find it? Awesome! Okay, let's go. Let's try climbing up this wall. Now, do you guys see anything? Anywhere there'd be like a map or something? Behind me? Okay, let's look. Oh, we got it! Wow, so that's where the treasure is. Haha, what do we have here? Whoa, what's going on? Should've known. Captain Hook. What do you want, Hook? What else? Me treasure. Now give it to me, or I'll shoot. Okay, okay. It's down there. Just press down on the skull. Haha, the treasure is mine. Ah, my boat! Sinking! Oops, sorry, Hook. Forgot to mention the boulder. Time to go get my treasure.
Set on